I've got a recipe for you. Chopped chicken and broccoli cutlets. Look how beautiful they are, and they taste amazing. You'll find the exact ingredients list in the video description as always. Now let's get started with this recipe. We need half a kilo of finely chopped chicken fillet and 1 broccoli cooked for about 5-7 minutes. After cooking, I finely chopped it. Add 1 onion, 1 pressed garlic clove, 1 egg, 1 heaped tablespoon each of potato and wheat flour, and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Half a teaspoon of sweet paprika, salt, and pepper. Just mix it all together. Then fry the patties in hot oil over medium heat until golden brown on each side. Serve and enjoy. Add toppings and it's ready. Delicious and colorful. Try it. Recipes on my blog. Link below. Thanks and take care.